Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you I built out a React.js full stack website screenshot kind of a web application which directly runs in the browser. So we are running it on localhost 3000. As you can see, this is actually the demo of the application. So this is actually the user interface of the application. So right here you will enter a set of website URLs to actually take the screenshot and save it as an image file. So this is actually the user interface, and it's actually a full stack application. The front end is coded directly inside React.js. So this is the package.json file of this. So we are using the latest version of React here, you will see. And inside the backend section right here, you will see we are using Node.js Express, and we are also using Puppeteer library for actually grabbing the screenshots of the websites. So this is actually the backend and this is the front end. So it's a full stack application. So if you need the source code of this, you can directly purchase it. I have given the link in the description of this video. So after you purchase it, you will get the source code from Google Drive automatically. So let me show you the actual demo of the application. So right here, you will actually enter the set of URLs. So one URL per line, and it can handle multiple URLs. So you basically paste a bunch of URLs, website URLs, and then you simply click this button of grab screenshots, and one by one it will actually process each URL and take the screenshot and save it as an image file. And you will see in the back end it is actually doing its processing, opening each URL, and after it is done, it's captured all the screenshots. You will get this notification that your screenshots are ready. Now you can click the download button to actually download a zip file. So it will actually save it. So once it saves, you will actually get all the screenshots. It will download the zip file. So here you will get all the screenshots. So in this easy way, you will see it has taken the screenshot. So you will see that. So it taken the screenshot of each website. This is Google. You will see that. So taken the screenshot. Same for YouTube as well. So whatever URL that you written, it taken the screenshot and downloaded this. So the instructions are quite simple. You basically paste a bunch of URLs, and concurrently it will process each URL, go process each, and you can do this unlimited number of times. So once you purchase it, you will be able to add more features as well on top of this application. This is actually inside React.js, the front end, and this is the back end here. It's a full stack application. And Puppeteer, if you don't know, it's a very famous package inside Node Express to actually take screenshots of the websites. So it's actually a open source library, Puppeteer. So we have used this library for building this application. So it's completely responsive as well. So if you open it in a new tab, again you repeat the process. You paste the URLs, and you will see one by one it will screenshot of Google is saved. Then it will come to the next one. You will see, you will get the notification. You click the download button. So in this easy way, once it captured, you will be able to download the screenshot. So this is actually a full stack application in Node.js, Express, React.js. We coded this. It's completely responsive as well. So you can directly purchase it. If you still face any issues, you can contact me. I will definitely help you in running or deploying this application. So it's easy for you to deploy this application as well. All these scripts are there. So we are running this dev script which is concurrently running the front end and the back end at the same time. So you will see that. So you have simply run this npm run dev. It's also easy for you to deploy this as well. So all these, you will run the build script, which will actually build out the client and the backend, and you will be able to deploy this application. So this is the main file, which is server.js, so which is actually containing the actual backend code here. We are using Express Puppeteer here for taking the screenshots here. And this is actually your front end code, which is actually using React.js for making the user interface. And it's a full stack application. So if you're interested in this, definitely purchase it.